Now, to breaking news out of the Mississippi Capitol, Melanie Christopher is now in the newsroom with what's happening. Melanie?
Thank you, Terrence. Senate Bill 2116 is headed to Governor Phil Bryant, the so-called fetal heartbeat bill. This bill would ban abortion in cases where a fetal heartbeat is detected as early as 6 weeks. If it passes into law, it could become one of the strictest abortion laws in the country. Governor Bryant tweeted this picture out saying, quote, "Thank you to the Mississippi legislature for protecting the unborn by passing the heartbeat bill and sending it to my desk for signature. I look forward to signing it very soon." Now, the bill does provide an exemption for medical emergencies. We'll let you know when the governor signs the bill. Terrence?